Hi, Jenny here. The other day I made a chocolate chip cookie recipe, the Chocoroons, that had coconut in them, and they were so good, kind of gave me a taste for more coconut. So I know I've made a cake before with some coconut frosting. I couldn't find that recipe, but I did find one for some coconut cookies. So that's what we'll make today. Let's get started. This recipe calls for 1 1/4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter softened, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 1/3 cups of coconut. Alright, let's see. I'm going to experiment with a different camera angle, different tripod, and just let the duck down a little bit, but we'll try it for this video and see what happens. I'm going to measure out my dry ingredients and put them in a separate bowl, and then we'll get the mixer going. So we need 1 1/4 cups of flour, half teaspoon of the baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We will now cream our butter and sugars together. So I'll put my butter in here, measure out half cup each of the brown sugar and white sugar. Side, I suppose. Watch one of my other videos, hear about how I don't like to have my hands kind of with stuff on them. A little bit I can do, but. So the butter. And wipe them off. That way too, I guess I don't get it on the other stuff that I'm touching. And the brown sugar, I don't like to get my hands in there. So I do it with the bag. Push it all down because the brown sugar you want packed. So I always just put my cup inside my bag. Put my packed cup worth. And I don't have to touch it. Alright, and half a cup of regular sugar. We'll add our egg and vanilla. Let's do the vanilla first because that won't make our hand messy. Alright. It's all well mixed, nice and creamy. We're going to slowly add in our flour mixture, and then after that's all well beat together, we'll mix in our coconut by hand. So, I need a spoon. So we slowly put this in, kind of 1 tablespoon at a time, so it doesn't all poof up and get everything all dirty. Alright, we will add in our 1 1/3 cup coconut now. Alright. Peekaboo, I see you. Oh, I gotta go back to my regular camera for this one because it's in the middle of the kitchen floor. So I can't use my tiny little tripod. And I don't have a box or anything for that to go up higher. Someday. Innovations, figure it out. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then we're just going to drop the dough by teaspoonfuls to our cookie shapes. Should make about 3 dozen cookies. Oven is beeped, so we will cook these for 8 to 10 minutes. The oven has beeped. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Nice. Alright, here they are out of the oven. We'll put them on the cooling rack, let them sit for 2 minutes, and then we'll take them off of the baking pan and let them just sit on the cooling rack until they're completely cool. The cookies have cooled now. Kind of wondering if maybe if I sprinkled some chocolate, drizzled some chocolate on there, if maybe they'd taste like the Mounds candy bars. That would be good too. Maybe I'll look up that recipe and do that for a video. Anyways, these did spread out a little bit more than I thought that they would. The recipe said it made about 36 cookies. I made 33, so close enough. But also interesting because I usually make my cookies on the smaller side, and that I didn't even hit 36. Thought usually I'd be a little bit over, but that's okay. It is a little bit rainy here today. The spring has come. So we got our spring sprinkles, and that'll make the flowers grow, right? And I've got my tiger lilies coming up in front of my window too. So how about where you live? Do you have any rain by you? Helping make the flowers? Do you have anything flowering yet? The trees are starting to bloom. Some people's allergies are starting to go. Thank goodness I don't have that anymore. I had that a little bit when I was younger, but for now I'll take the rain. Get the grass greener and get it warmer outside. I'm gonna eat my snack. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Well, that's a good cookie. Alright, well this may be interesting. Well, this is a flattering angle or not. You get to see the underside of my counters. My cabinets, but you can't see my bowl. I'm trying. I think I have to get a different lens again. I'll have to thought I'd experiment, but all right. We will add in. I'm gonna put this over here. Hold on. Some light on my face, maybe. Just half of me. Okay. How close can I get you? Of course. Whee! Lighting change. I'm gonna take this down a notch. Okay. Should I take you with? Yeah. I need a top-down cam now too, so you can see what it all looks like when it's mixing. I'm going to do that now anyway. Let that tripod's fine. Let's find out. I think I did it once. Once in my 100 videos, I did an outtake in one take. That's not a good track record.